Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. I hope you are all doing well. I'm going to be doing an eyeshadow look with the Natasha Denona Love Palette, which looks like this. Very, very pretty, really beautiful tones. We've got a lot of purples, we've got a lot of pink and some red, but it translates mostly pink and purple. And we've got two duochrome shades here and one creamed powder. I think there's two creamed powders. I know this one definitely is a creamed powder, which I will not be working with because it's very difficult. I will let you know my thoughts later on with that. I have played around with this a little bit. And at the end, I want to give you, my thoughts and feelings. So we're going to do the eye look and I'm going to quickly, jump through the face makeup. So if you are interested in just seeing the eye look, I will put timestamps down below in the description box where you can see the final result of the eye look and you can skip through the face and all that. So subscribe if you are not already and let's begin. All right, I'm starting off by taking the shade Intense right here and I'm going to blend that into the crease and above toward the eyebrow. That's going to be my transition shade. These shades are very pigmented. I am of deeper complexion, so this would work for all complexions. These are very pigmented, I believe. So just it's pretty versatile. I mean, there's no skipping. It looks really good. They're really blendable. Easy to work with except the Commitment shade. All right, now I'm taking the shade Heart. And this is a nice red shade, but it's not too harsh of a red. It's like a muted red. It's almost like a, I don't know, an off red, if that can be anything. It's not really super red. It's more of a pinky red, if that makes sense. I'm placing this also in the crease toward the inner and outer corner. Just blending as needed. And don't worry, I'll blend away the harsh edges, but this is just what we're working with right now. All right, now I'm going to be taking Heartbeat right here. It's a really nice, I don't know how I would describe it, kind of like, when cherries are really, really dark. It's kind of like that color. It's very rich in pigment, really nice and smoky. So I'm going to do sort of a smoky, purpley, pinky eye. I don't want to say pinky eye, not in that way. Oh my gosh. Here I go. Another video ruined by moi. It's like when I film, where do my words go? Out the window. So as you can see, it's super pigmented. It looks really, really beautiful, really easy to blend. It's not patchy at all. So both eyes, I think, are looking good at this point. We still have some layering to go. All right, taking it one step further, I'm going in with Trust right here. This is nice purple shade, and all these brushes and things I'm using, I will link down below. But this is just a Moda brush set. So we're almost making that shade Commitment. I'm making it really, really deep, and then I'm going to wing it out a little bit. It almost looks black, but very, very deep and smoky, right on that outer third. That's what I'm looking for. And then really taking the time to blend it up and out right there, elongating the eye, just like that, easy peasy. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and take the shade Passion right here. It's a really nice, it's got a lot of glitter in it. It's really pretty. Just putting that on the eye. I wish it was true to camera so that you guys could see the glimmer that it gives off, but you can't. So pretty. And over top of that, I'm going to take Pure Love right here. You guys can't see. Pure Love, this shade. And I'm going to layer that on the top. This is a really, really beautiful light lilac shade. And as you can see, it's taking shape. And I'm almost putting it up into the crease area as well, because I like that look. I'm not shy from that. And even on top of that, I'm going to put a little bit of the shade Blind right in the middle, just as like a nice highlight shade for right in the middle of the eye. Like that. Looks like a spotlight eye. All right, for the lower lash line, I'm taking some of this shade Intense right here and putting that down on the lower lash line. Just like this side. And then I'm just going to smoke it out a little bit. And I'm going to take Valentine and on the same brush, just sort of blend that in better. And then I'm going to go in with Heartbeat up here, and I'm going to just put that about halfway across. And then with my finger, I want to take Blind again and put that right on the inner corner. I think that's really, really pretty. It's almost like a bluish shade. Honestly, that doesn't look that good. Maybe I will take Transparent instead. Try to fix that. We have a situation here. All right, for blush, I'm taking the Glossier Cloud Paint, and this is in the shade Haze. It's really, really deep looking, but please don't be scared. So here's the side with the cloud paint, and here's with it without. So you need very, very little amount, like probably this much. I used way too much on the other side, just saying. And just kind of blend that in. But yeah, I definitely used way too much on that side. We can fix it. I love this cream blush because it stains and it sets down to a nice matte finish. Just kind of take it everywhere. It's really pretty. For highlight, I'm taking the Liquid Milani Strobe Light in Day Glow. It's the liquid highlight. Looks like this right here. Super blinding, really, really beautiful. I'm just gonna follow it up here, take my sponge and blend that out. I mean, look how beautiful that is. It's like a natural, very natural, but you know, you can see it. You can see it. A little bit on the nose and blend it out. Super, super pretty. Cupid's bow and chin. I just find that to be so beautiful. I love Milani. For bronzer, I'm going in with the Thrive Cosmetics. This is the bronzer in Rhea. I like this bronzer a lot. It's really, really natural looking. It's matte. It's really pretty. Although I do like a glowy bronzer sometimes. Just bronzing the perimeters of the face, warming it up. I think that looks really, really pretty so far. And I love, love this eye look. What do you guys think? All right, I lined my lips with the Steve Laurent Vogue lip liner. I'm going in with the Pixie Beauty Liquid Lip in Matte Beige. Really perfect for this occasion. Nice nude pink. Pinky nude, nude pink. I love the formula of Pixie liquid lips. It's like I can't feel anything on my lips. It's so comfortable feeling. You don't feel anything on your lips really, and it lasts for so long. For gloss, I'm taking the Fenty Beauty gloss in the shade Sweet Mouth, and I'm going to just highlight the lips on the middle and on the upper. These glosses smell so good. Ugh. That's just going to make the lips look little plump, little juicy. And to finish it off, I'm going with the ColourPop. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I have like literally eyelashes everywhere that my husband thinks they're like spiders on the floor, so do my daughters. So anyway, it's just too funny. It's like, that's my life. ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Setting Mist. This is the finest mister ever. Well, I'm glad I found these lashes because I've been looking for them anyway. So you guys, this is the final eye look. What do you guys think? I think the palette is worth it if if you love, love, love pinks and purples. If you don't, then it's a hard pass, because that's basically all this palette is. If you're a diehard Natasha Denona fan, collector, yes, it's worth it. It's very pigmented. I like it. The only shade I had a problem with is Commitment. It's a cream to powder, and it just is very hard to work with, very hard to build up, and it's patchy, and it's just a no for me. So besides that one shade, I would use each and every shade in that palette. I will be using it. I love this palette because I love pinks and I love purples and I love reds. So yes, I can see myself using this on a daily basis. But if you can't, and you're like more of a nude person or like a neutrals person at heart, I would pass on this. The only reason the only way I could recommend it is if you absolutely love those shades and you will continuously use those shades. But just for reference, there's a lot of the same hues in the Jackie Aina palette with Anastasia Beverly Hills. There's a lot. There's red in here, there's pink in here, there's purple, and then you've got some neutrals over here. But it's a really beautiful color story in this one. I think you can get more looks with this one. It's more versatile. It literally fits everyone's skin tone. And I think these are on clearance right now for like $30. So if you don't want to pay $65, I would definitely highly, highly recommend this as an alternative to the Natasha Denona Love palette, which is not a necessity, but this actually has a lot of the same tones, like I said, but it also offers some neutral tones as well. So you take your pick. I've said my piece. I hope you guys love this video. Give it a like if you did like it, and subscribe if you are not already. If you're new here, hi, my name is Ashley. I would love for you to join the family. Without further ado, I'm going to end this video. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.